So right now we are going to mix the okpa flour with red palm oil. For those of you that don't know what is okpa, is a native food from Nigeria, just like a moi moi. So this is the powder, but this one is in a different form. It's very yummy. It has its own taste, you know. Yeah, this is how we prepared it in our native way. And as you can see, my egg is boiling. You will just boil your egg. Some people prepare it without egg, but depending on your choice on how you want to prepare yours. You know, I like putting egg when I like adding egg to it. So that is it, guys. And here, before you mix it, you must make sure you mix it with warm water if you want to get that good mixture. Yeah, you have to mix it with warm water. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, because I have missed this okpa so much. I decided to share it with you guys. From what I know, this okpa doesn't need too much ingredients. Just mix it this form the way I'm doing it right now, and you will get the good taste you want. This is the paprika. I just blended it. You can add fresh pepper. You can add anything you want to add. Yeah, anything you want to add to give it that flavor. You can add pepper. You can add fresh one, depending on your choice. So right now I'm adding my Maggie seasoning. You can as well use salt. Like you guys know, I'm not the type that eats too much salt, so I prefer Maggie seasoning than salt. Yeah, so you just mix it. Make sure you mix it very well before you start cooking. And as I'm mixing, my hot water is on the fire boiling, so I will just mix it and start cooking it. Before you know it, the okpa is ready, guys. So beautiful, people. After 45 minutes of cooking my Okpa Di Oku, you can see how yummy and delicious it's looking. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I believe I have come to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly join the family. Touch that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section down below, and see you in my next video. And feel free to share my video. As of now, I am out. Bye.
you.